L'heure bleue, that brief moment when the sun is about to set, known as the blue hour. It's a beautiful moment that many of us try to capture, but struggle to, because low-light environments present a challenge for most smartphone cameras. To capture a clear image in a dim setting, enough light must reach and be absorbed by the camera's image sensor. Galaxy S22 Ultra is equipped with a 2.4 micrometer large pixel sensor that takes in more light and has an anti-reflective nano coating on the glass and lens, so that light can travel to the image sensor with fewer reflections. This allows for crisp photos and videos with minimal flare, even at night. All of these hardware improvements, when combined with optimized software, help deliver incredible nightography found only on Galaxy S22 Ultra. When taking photos in low light, Night Solution kicks in. It uses multi-frame processing to capture a series of images in an instant, removing frames that have noise or blur. Then, it merges the remaining frames into a single clear shot and uses an AI-powered ISP algorithm that enhances the object's true shape, color tone, and details. Night Solution also works with portrait mode, tele-lens with 3x optical zoom, and the front camera for selfies. That means gorgeous photos of you and your friends, day or night. A video is made up of multiple frames captured in quick succession. In dim environments, a slower shutter speed helps the image sensor capture more light. But this also makes the camera more sensitive to camera shakes, resulting in blurry footage. To provide clear and stable night video, Galaxy S22 Ultra employs an intricate dual-track image stabilization solution with OIS and VDIS. OIS compensates for camera shakes by physically moving the lens in the opposite direction of the motion. Galaxy S22 Ultra's OIS hardware has a 58% wider corrective angle compared to its predecessors, which allows the camera to neutralize larger shakes for smooth recording. VDIS uses software to compensate for the camera's movements across X, Y, and Z coordinates. With 4 times the motion sampling frequency, VDIS provides faster and more accurate magnitude and direction analysis. Galaxy S22 Ultra combines these two stabilization technologies to more accurately correct distortions. Together, they calculate optimal corrective values and adjust shaky frames one by one, resulting in smooth video even in low light. To capture brighter videos at night, Galaxy S22 Ultra's camera automatically changes the frame rate between different FPS in response to subtle changes in lighting. That means the lens gets more light, providing optimal exposure. When the frame rate drops below 24 FPS, Super Night Solution synthesizes up to 12 frames with the best details as you film, bringing you bright and detailed results even in low light. Epic moments happen around the clock, and dim lighting should never hold you back. From the blue hour to the dark of night, Galaxy S22 Ultra helps you capture every moment.